Today I'm gonna be unboxing my latest toy from Daly. And yeah, they make toys. They make toys for battery professionals. Because this is pretty cool. You might know that they already make balancers. But this is a super balancer. Their normal balancer is 1 amp. And this is 10 amps. It's up to 24 strings and it has a built-in display. And it is quite expensive. But for what you get, and it's a very luxurious box, like buying an oversized iPhone, they really have the feel of it. You slide it out, or it's a magnetic case. Oh, this is so cool. Manual, USB. I was wondering about those terminals. Oh, look at those clamps. I've never seen high quality like that. Oh, it's one for... Oh, you put them... this is so cool. Those are some nice clamping teeth. And one is black, so you know where to put it. Ooh. Ooh. I get a 10-string adapter. I wonder what these bricks are called. They don't have any... They do have markings. They look like something an electrician would use. It's the same type of screws. And they do have a connection board. Yeah, this is a similar one, but it has 2 floors. One is just for isolation. You can find them pretty cheap on AliExpress. Maybe $5 or so if you just want this one. But I guess this one is made for... But this is 2.54, not the standard dolly size. This won't fit, so I don't know what that is for. And we have another one that goes in there. And you put the GST cables here, no matter... Oh, that's just genius. That's so smart. That is a good thing to include. Let's close this up and have a look at this. Yeah, this is a real cool tool. Here we have the battery compartment. Oh, it's running off an 18650 or 21700. That's cool. None of my other toys use that. It's not a 21700, so it must be an 18650 then. This is some cool stuff. And it's in Chinese. Is there an easy way to get it in English? There we have Chinese, CH, enter, and yes, we have English. Now we can see balance current. It's set to 3 by default. That's reasonable. I would go grab a battery. Let's grab a battery I built that didn't fit. Then we do need an adapter, and it's a 10-string. And we connect this. Yeah, that's 0. There isn't much unbalance, but we do have 3.502, 3.517. Did it start balancing right away? It is updating every other second, and voltage difference, but it says balance current 0. So, okay, we can hold the enter key for 2 seconds to start balancing. Oh, it started! And it has a fan. A very low sounding fan. And here we also have USB out port, and we also got a PC link that we order extra for those other balances we have. Now it looks like it's working on that cell. 3.4 amps. How cool. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to one of my employees who does balancing for me. Yeah, he's gonna be surprised. I'm gonna put it back in the box so he get to unbox it, because this was a cool unboxing. This is a really nice toy.